Want to make 2023 your best year ever? Do these three things today before this year ends. Number one, write down 10 things that you are grateful for. 10 things that worked well for you this year. If you enter the new year with the energy of gratitude, you will invite more joy and opportunities in your life. Number two, send love to 3 people who have hurt you in some way. As you think of them, say to them mentally, I bless you with health and happiness. If you don't do this, you enter the new year with grudges and hatred. Your subconscious mind will bring more insults and unhappiness in your life. Number 3, write down all your negative thoughts and beliefs on paper. Convert each negative thought and belief into a positive statement. For example, nobody loves me can be converted into I am loved and supported. Commit to reading these positive beliefs to yourself in the new year every morning and night. This will ensure that you take focus off things you don't want and start vibrating with the good that you want to receive in your life. A very happy new year.